Welcome to Manipedia. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Most repeated everyday science MCQs. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? C. Neptune. Severe deficiency of vitamin D results in B. Rickets. The C unit of charges. B. Coulomb. Long side defect could be corrected by using dash lens. B. Convex. Deficiency of vitamin A results in A. Night blindness. For a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, if we decrease volume, the pressure will B. Increase. The lifespan of red blood cells is dash days. B. 120. The density of water is A. 1 gram per centimeter cube. Radioactivity was discovered by D. Becquerel. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called D. Battery. The sun is A star. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is D. Tetrafluoroethane. It is one of the commonly used refrigerant gases, which you can find in almost all the present-time refrigerators. This gas is condensed effectively so that it can cool down the surroundings of the machine without causing the problem of ozone depletion. The average adult has a blood volume of about liters. B. 5. The most abundant element in the universe is B. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, helium is second. However, after this, the rank of abundance does not continue to correspond to the atomic number. Oxygen has abundance rank 3, but atomic number 8. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is A. Oxygen. It makes up approximately 46.6% of the Earth's crust by mass. The second most abundant element is silicon, comprising around 27.7% of the crust. Deficiency of vitamin D results in B. Rickets. The C unit of pressure is A. Pascal. The most densest substance on the earth is D. Osmium. A camera uses a dash to form an image. A. Convex lens. Which from the following is not a conductor? D. All are conductors. CNG stands for D. Compressed natural gas. Which from the following is true for sound? A. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits into dash colors. C. 7. Dispersion by a prism. If a prism is placed in a room and a narrow beam of white light is allowed to fall on one of its refracting faces, it is found that light coming out from the other face of the prism is split into 7 colors, i.e. violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This phenomenon is called dispersion at light. 1 nanometer equal to C. 10 to 9 meter. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is B. Pyrometer. Sound waves are dash waves. C. Longitudinal. Because particles of the medium through which the sound is transported vibrate parallel to the direction that the sound wave moves. The lifespan of white blood cells is dash days. D. 5 to 21 days. The lymphocytes are developed in the lymph glands, after which time they are destroyed in the lymphatic system. White blood cells act as antibodies and provide strength to body's immune system. WBC are also known as leukocytes. The fluid part of blood is known as A. Plasma. During winter in cold countries, the dash is mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads. A. Salt. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at last? C. Seawater. The nearest planet to the Earth is A. Venus. The planet that moves round the Sun at the highest speed is D. Mercury. Mercury is the fastest planet, which speeds around the Sun at 47.87 km per second. In miles per hour, this equates to a whopping 107,082 miles per hour. In general, comets have dash orbits. B. Highly elliptical. GPS is an abbreviation for C. A global positioning system. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the B. Loss of electrons. At night, plants intake dash and release dash. A. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Urine is produced in A. Kidneys. The salinity of sea water is determined by the amount of common salt, sodium chloride, in dash of sea water. C. 1 kilogram. The planet which is easily visible from the Earth is B. Venus. The great spot is on the planet D. Jupiter. 1 light year is equal to C. 9.5 multiplied by 1012 km. The bodyguard of the Earth is dash that save the Earth from many comets and asteroids. D. Jupiter. The planets visible to us without using a telescope are C. 5. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. The largest planet in our solar system by far is Jupiter. According to Big Bang theory, the universe began about dash billion years ago. A. 10 to 20. Biosensor is used to measure A. Blood glucose level. Einstein's famous equation which states that mass and energy are interchangeable is AE is equal to mc square. The C unit of electric current is B. Ampere. What is dry ice? B. Solid carbon dioxide. Digestion of food is completed in the A. Small intestine. Carrot is good source of vitamin A. Vitamin A. For proper formation of teeth, dash is essential. C. Fluorine. Deficiency of dash causes loss of appetite and poor growth. A. Zinc. Meteorology is the study of B. Atmosphere. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, by volume, is A. 0.039%. Diamond is an allotropic form of A. Carbon. The SI unit of heat is C. Joule. The good sources of vitamin A are A. Green leafy vegetables. The good sources of vitamin B complex are B. Seeds. The good sources of vitamin C are C. Fresh vegetables and fruits. The good sources of iodine are D. Seafoods. Thank you for watching. Please press the bell icon to stay updated.